Hey everyone, we added two new loan programs on our website, ljmortgageteam.com, and that's what I want to go over with you guys. So, first one is called Fix and Flip. This is for investors. How many times as realtors we show a property and they say, "Hey, can you give me a loan where I need I need money to renovate, right? So I want to basically flip this property, and sometimes they have all cash, and sometimes they don't, right? So they need a loan. So this might be a good option for them. So the first requirement is your credit scores. We need 700 or more credit scores, and down payment is 25% or more, right? Debt to income ratio can go up to 45%, and the closing cost is typically around 5 to 7%. So who's this for? For investors who want to fix and flip, or they want to fix and hold properties, right? So if they're going to fix and hold property, they will eventually get a conventional loan down the line. But for that property that's distressed, that's beat up, right, that needs maybe $100,000 work, maybe upgrading the bathroom, the kitchen, the basement, the bedrooms, right? So they want to do a full renovation. So it's going to be around $100,000, let's just say, for example. So then they may go with this loan, right? But they cannot live there. It has to be a non-owner occupied. So purely for investment properties. And the term is typically for a year, 12 months, or it can be extended case by case up to 18 months, right? And type of properties, it could be single family, it could be 2 units, three, up to 4 units, or townhouses. And for the loan amount, it can be as low as $50,000 or $100,000. It can go all the way up to $3 million. Okay. Loan to cost, right? This is going to be your purchase price plus renovation can go up to 90%. And loan to value after repair can go up to 75%. If it's too technical for you, you can always schedule a meeting with me or Jas, and we can review this with you. And the second loan option is ground up. So they don't want to just do minor, changes or upgrades. They want to knock down the property, and they want to do a build up, ground up construction. So what we do see that, let's say it was a 800 or 1,000 square feet small house in Long Island, right? They want to knock it down, and then they want to build maybe 3,000 or 4,000 square feet property, right? That's a big project. So going from maybe 2 to 3 bedrooms to maybe 5 to 6 bedrooms, right? We see those properties, they sell for over $1 million, some of them 1.3, 1.4, $1.5 million, single family properties. And they usually go with this type of loan. It's called ground up construction, right? Very similar guidelines, 700 credit scores, 25% down payment, 45% DTI, and 5 to 7% closing cost. And this is again for investors who are not going to live there, and who's going to be building it from ground up, right? It could be single family all the way up to 4 units, 1 to 4 units, right? And the loan amount, obviously $50,000 to 3 million, but that $50,000 doesn't get you anywhere. So typical loan for this one is few $100,000, right? There is a monthly there's a minimum reserve required, 1 month. Again, no need to get too technical, but just know, when if you're a realtor and you're showing your properties, and your investor says, "Hey, I need a loan, do you know anyone?" Now you do, right? LJ Mortgage Team, we are able to give you fix and flip and ground up options, right? So we have all the loan options available for you guys. We already said, conventional, FHA, DSCR, all those were there. We're doing plenty of those. But I really want to encourage you guys to know that, one is that we have that option, and two, that we can get the job done, right? If you have any questions, please get in touch with us. All right. Thank you so much, guys.